Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Thanks for coming. And if you're an oldies but goodies, a warm welcome to you, virtual hug to you. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Now what I'm going to do for you today, guys, I am going to show you a remedy that you can use to help to diminish or basically to get rid of your stretch marks. Now when it comes on to stretch marks, what is really stretch marks? Stretch marks are striation, streaks, and stripes that tend to appear on the skin. Sometimes this is due because of illness, but most of the time it's because of the stretching of the skin. What happens when you tend to gain weight, when you become pregnant, or even when you age and your skin lose the collagen, what left is the sagginess, and that creates the streaks, striation known as stretch marks. Now most people will get some form of a stretch marks at least once in their lifetime. You will have some form of a streak or striation on the skin. So guys, for those with severe stretch marks that is so obvious that makes you uncomfortable, this remedy is for you. So guys, do not click off the video, just continue watching for a full recipe and also guys a few tips on how to get rid of your stretch marks using this remedy. To make this stretch marks varicose vein remedy, you're going to need a blender, a strainer, and you're also going to need a small jar for storing. Now, if you do not have a blender, you're going to need a grater. So here we have some fresh ginger, and ginger is great for circulation. It will help to get rid of the striation, spots, and blemishes on the skin. Now what we're going to do, we're going to peel about 2 ounces of ginger, and then I'm going to chop mine in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. Now if you're not going to be blending and you're going to grate, go ahead and grate your ginger. Now once we chopped the ginger, we are going to place it in our blender. And we're not going to add any form of a liquid to this. All we're doing is extracting the ginger juice. So we're going to blend as is. After blending, take a look. Here we have the blended ginger. Next, we are going to strain. So I'm going to reach for my strainer. And if you grate, go ahead and extract the juice by straining also. Once this is poured in the strainer, I'm going to use my hands here, guys. If you want to use a spoon or something like that, go ahead, but my hands are clean. And take a look, here we have our fresh ginger juice nicely strained. Now we're going to add our next ingredient to this, which is known to clear striation on the skin, but also very hydrating to the skin. And this is some aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I'm using store-bought. You can go ahead and use fresh aloe vera gel in this recipe. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel is about 99% natural aloe vera gel. So once we scoop this in, we're reaching for our second ingredient, and this is Jamaican black castor oil. Castor oil contains linsolenic acid, which is released when the castor beans are roasted. This linsolenic acid will help to clear the skin of the striation, dark spots, and blemishes. It will also help to boost circulation in the skin, and it's also great for hydrating and moisturizing the skin. So I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the castor oil. If you do not have black castor oil, it's okay. Go ahead and use your white castor oil. And now that we have all the ingredients together, what we're going to do, we are going to completely dissolve the aloe vera gel and the castor oil in the mix. Now at this stage, if you do not have a blender, go ahead and whisk until the castor oil and the aloe vera gel is totally dissolved in the ginger. However, if you have a blender, you can choose to pour this back in the blender like I'm doing here and blend to a creamy consistency. Now after blending, let's pour this in our storage jar. And take a look, here we have our stretch mark cream. Now this, guys, can be stored in your refrigerator for up to about 7 days or so. If you have vegetable glycerine or vitamin E, you can choose to add a few drops, 5 drops or so to it to preserve it a little longer. Now to use, simply take about 2 to 3 drops and use this to massage on the area where you tend to get stretch marks. Now a little goes a long way, so you really do not need a lot. This can be used on your entire body. Now after applying this to your skin, you're not going to rinse this off. You're going to leave this on your skin, preferably overnight. And this remedy can be used every day on your stretch marks, whether it is old stretch marks or new stretch marks, whether it is from, losing weight or from pregnancy mark. Just continue to use this until you notice a difference to your skin. Your stretch mark is either faded or completely disappear. So there you have it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, you know what to do. Just give it a thumbs up and share the recipe, share the video on your social media, guys. And if this was your first time watching, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. If you click on it, that's the way you subscribe. As simple and easy as that. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.